Hello, we're back again. What's going on? I know my voice is still a bit scratchy because I'm still kind of sick. But anyways, if you haven't seen yesterday's video, I'd recommend checking it out because then you'll know exactly what's going on. But essentially, yesterday I did a poll to see how many people would want to see some of my old IRL videos from my old YouTube channel, and I was shocked. A lot of you guys want to see it. I thought it'd be like an even split, like 33%, 33%, 33% between like all the options. I was shocked though because the majority of you seem to actually want to see the IRL videos or at least check them out. So starting today, I'm going to post the first day. Actually, it's not the first day. It's actually from like a few days before the road trip started. It's going to be me packing up for the road trip, which I guess you could tell by the title already. But before we get into it for today, there are a few things I want to talk about. So I know a lot of you guys said that you want to see new IRL videos and not old IRL videos, which I totally understand and I totally agree with. There's only two problems with that, at least for right now. First of all, at the moment, right now, I'm sick, so I can't really go outside and do much stuff anyways. And then second of all, I just came back from England, and I feel like I missed out on a lot of XP gains and a lot of RuneScape gains, so I want to get caught up on the game, spend a lot of time playing RuneScape, really push out those hardcore Iron Man videos, especially now at this point, because being so far progressed on the account, it takes a lot of time to really like get levels and make progress and have like interesting stuff happen. So I do want to spend a lot of time on the game, and since I have all these old videos already made, it's like might as well post them, you know. It's like not really taking much time out from my day. And because a lot of you guys want to see it, it seems like it's definitely going to be worth it. But I do still want to emphasize that these IRL videos will not take priority over the RuneScape / Hardcore Iron Man videos. These will only strictly be on days I wouldn't otherwise post a video. It's like a way to fill the empty void. And the thing about these videos is that when I made them, they were never really supposed to meant to be like really big, important videos or whatever. They were really mostly for myself to watch in the future and maybe for like a few of my friends to kind of see what I was up to. But I never thought I'd ever get to this point where like there'd be all these people watching it. So a lot of stuff in there is me very, very, very cringy. If you can't look back at yourself and laugh and think about how cringy you were, then you're probably lying, because I think everyone can look back and just cringe at themselves at like every moment of their life. I also used to work at a sandwich shop, so like I would eat sandwiches and cookies and potato chips like every single day. So I was kind of heavier there too. I've lost about 20 pounds since then. This was last summer. So for me personally, that just adds another level of cringiness onto it. And then also at the time, because it was just like all for fun, I wasn't like trying to be super professional or serious with it. So the audio quality for a lot of this is really, really bad, and there's some situations where you can't even hear me like at all. So please just bear through with it. I mean, it's all from the past. So, I mean, I can't really just change up the quality now because, you know, it's been made already like over a year ago. But the way I think I'm going to do these videos, at least for this road trip, is like I'll kind of like cut in between a lot of areas in the video where things don't exactly make sense and kind of explain things that are going on or like what's about to happen or kind of like what just happened, so you guys aren't like too lost, because I've been watching these videos back and there's a lot of areas that don't really make sense, and I know what's going on, but to someone watching the video, they probably wouldn't understand what's going on or where we're at or whatever. So I'll try to explain those things as we go throughout the videos. But yeah, so I've been watching some of these videos back over the last couple days and just like, wow, it's all these memories. It's bringing back like that pit feeling in my stomach of nostalgia or whatever. But I mean, yeah, not much else to say. Let's jump into the video. This was mid-June 2017, last year, packing up for the road trip. So let's get into it and hope you enjoy. What's up, guys? I'm going to be leaving in about 5 days on the road trip. Everything is all cleared out now. I've got all my stuff in boxes over here. The lady that's moving in next says she wants all the furniture, so I don't even have to worry about getting rid of that. I got a bunch of stuff to throw out, suitcase, and then today, in the mail, my dash cam came. I've been meaning to get a dash cam for a very long time, like since I got my car. It's been like 2 years now. But now I finally have a reason to get it. I'm gonna go put it on the car right now. Here's what we got. There's a lot of pieces, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Alright, the dash cam has been successfully installed. I got it rigged up going around the front of the car. Let me show you. And I'm pretty excited about this because, you know, I'm going pretty far. So if someone does like a hit and run or something happens like that, then I will be able to prove my innocence. Okay, so right here I was getting new tires for my car because they were super old and the tread on the tires was worn. But as a little side story, a couple days after this day right here, I was with some friends at the skate park and my car wouldn't start back up. So I had to get towed to the auto shop, and it turned out my starter was dead. And in a way, I think that was really good timing, because if that happened like a week later in the middle of the road trip, it could have been very, very bad timing and I could have been screwed super bad. But I guess it all worked out for the best. Also, this place was called Dave's Auto Shop in Skokie. And Dave was like the nicest guy, and he just really took care of me and my car, and I owe a lot to him. There she is. getting new tires. Hopefully they'll last through the Vegas.
Grab it.
Come on, buddy. The car is empty right now, and I really hope that we can fit all this in here. I want to try to keep the front seat open so that I could fit my my laptop case, food, garbage. The trunk is all empty. Gotta get that skateboard out of there. The car has been mostly packed. It all fit in here. There's like, I need my suitcase, and then there's like a couple more boxes, and I'm gonna put like the rest of my stuff up front. Got a tissue box in case my nose gets runny. Never forget who we're trying to find here. My boy Nemo. And then go back here. This is what the trunk looks like. Suitcase will fit right here. And I want to move a couple more boxes back into here. So I will see you tomorrow morning when we leave for the trip. We'll see Jacob soon, hopefully.
Peace.
We're gonna try to come to Vegas in the winter. I'm gonna miss both you guys too. The sandwich shop I used to work at was located in a mall, so like all the mall workers knew each other. And every Friday night, me and a coworker and another friend of ours who also worked in the mall, we'd all get together, usually at my place, and we'd like play Monopoly or board games, usually Monopoly, and drink some alcohol, eat some food, and it was always a fun time. But this was our last time ever getting together for one of those Friday nights. By the way, fun fact, both of their names are Sam. I like pizza though.
Like pizza, Monopoly.
I got pizza. I don't need anything else in my life. Originally, this was posted as 2 separate videos of like the week leading up to the road trip and then the night before I left, but I figured I might as well combine both of them into one video because it makes more sense to me that way anyways. A lot of the videos on my old channel were really short, like 2 to 5 minutes long, and this next video is actually like 1.5 minutes long, but this was the day of June 20th, 2017, and I remember that specifically because the next day, the day that I left, was Go Skate Day, which if you skate, you know what that is, but it's pretty much a holiday for skaters to go out and, well, go skate. Yo, what is going on? At the time of making this video, it's the day before I'm moving out, but by the time you see this, when this is being posted, I'm going to be moving, I'll be on the road, and I'll be out of this place. Everything's all boxed up, ready to go. So I'm going to be taking like 10 days to get there. I don't know if there's going to be like internet at the hotels or Wi-Fi or whatever, so I don't know how much free time I'll have to like make videos and stay posted at the same time. I got Jacob here, he's helping me pack up. We're hanging out today.
You already know how we rocking. I'm all grabbing pennies. Watch this.
Yeah, so we're skating the apartment because I'm going to be out here soon. That's the last chance we'll get.
You got Reese's Puffs.
Reese's Puffs, like the cereal?
No. Oh, peanut butter cups.
So yeah, I may be going off the grid for a couple of weeks, but I will still be around. I promise I'm not going anywhere. Well, I am going anywhere. I'm going to Vegas. But I will not be gone forever. I promise I will be back. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I got a new tooth, by the way. I was actually born without an adult tooth in that spot. When I was a kid, I had the baby tooth there, but there was just never an adult tooth that grew in. But like a couple weeks before I made this video, I just got an implant, so now I had a tooth. If I ever post more of my older videos, you'll see me without a tooth there. And people would ask all the time how I lost my tooth, and I love making up all these crazy stories. But the truth is, there just never was an adult tooth that popped out from there. So now I look like a normal person. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I will be around. And see you again soon at some point. So I hope you enjoyed that kind of like intro sort of to the road trip. Also, let me know what you think about the style of video with me kind of like interjecting and explaining things that are going on. Or if you prefer if I do it like kind of in a different way. I don't know. Just let me know what you think. If you have any questions about my life or things that happened in my life or how I got into certain situations, let me know. I would love to answer all your questions you might have about me. Tomorrow is going to be a new Hardcore Ironman video. I have pretty much just enough clips for that now. And then probably the day after that, I don't think I'll get all the clips I need for the next hardcore video in one day. So the day after that will be the next day of the road trip, which, well, I guess it's the first day of the road trip. And there is going to be skating in there. I know a lot of you guys have been wanting to see the skating and have been asking about that in the comments. So you will see me skating that day. Like I said earlier, that day was Go Skate Day. So I did go and skate. But dude, watching these old videos has been like getting me really pumped for some reason. And like, I don't know, it's really cool like watching them back now. This is exactly why I made them, because I wanted to watch them back later and really appreciate all the good times I had. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you again tomorrow.